Today on JNS Refurbishments, we're going to make
Chalk paint.
chalk paint. Stay tuned. Today on JNS Refurbishments, we're going to show you how to make your own chalk paint. Chalk paint is all the rage right now because everybody loves the look, they love the feel, they love the durability, and they love the fact that they can paint anything without having to prime or sand.
What we don't like is how expensive it is. So we are going to show you how to make your own chalk paint. We scoured the internet trying to find the best recipe. This is the one we like best.
And hiya.
And hello.
Here's the recipe. 1 part calcium carbonate to 2 parts paint. Now first you want to mix a little bit of water with the calcium carbonate. Anywhere from 2 tablespoons to 6 or maybe even 8. Depends on how much calcium carbonate you want to use and how much paint you want to make. The goal is to get the calcium carbonate and the water to a fine, smooth paste. Then you want to mix it. You can bring it to your paint store and ask them to do it. You could do it in an old blender. Make sure it's old. You don't want to get in trouble from your spouse or your loved one. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way. You can shake it, baby.
And there you have it. You've just made your own chalk paint. Well, actually technically we just made it, but now you know how to. All that's left is to pour it into a can and to store it in a cool, dry place. I think the kids are awake. I gotta make dinner. So thanks for joining us at JNS Refurbishments. Until next time, happy painting. Today on JNS Refurbishments, we're going to show you how to make
What are we going to make?
Today on JNS Refurbishments, again.